Welcome back to Daily English Dose. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. Today, we are going to work on something very powerful. Something that can instantly change how people see you when you speak. We are learning how to articulate your thoughts more clearly than most people. And remember, this is not about speaking fast. This is not about using difficult words. This is about clarity. So don't rush. Stay with me and speak whenever I ask you to. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your thoughts are clear in your mind, but when you open your mouth, everything comes out messy? You know what you want to say, but the words don't come in the right order. If yes, you're not alone. Most people struggle with this. Even native speakers do. The difference is, clear speakers follow simple habits. Today, I'll train you in those habits. First, understand this. Clear speaking starts before you speak. Good speakers don't think while talking. They organize, then speak. So from now on, whenever you want to say something, ask yourself one silent question. What is my main idea? Just one, not 5, not everything at once. One idea. Let's practice. I'll give you a situation. Imagine someone asks you, "How was your day?" Most people say something like, "It was okay, I was busy, and then I had work and some problems, but it's fine." Messy. Unclear. Now listen to a clear version. My day was busy, but productive. Say it with me. My day was busy, but productive. Good. One idea. Simple. Now we expand it slowly. My day was busy but productive because I finished my main tasks. Repeat with me. My day was busy but productive because I finished my main tasks. Notice something. I'm not rushing. I'm not adding unnecessary details. Clarity always comes first. Now let's go deeper. Most people try to sound smart by using long sentences. But intelligent speakers do the opposite. They break ideas into small, clear parts. Listen carefully. I disagree with this idea because it ignores practical problems. Now repeat. I disagree with this idea because it ignores practical problems. Very good. Now, let's add an example. I disagree with this idea because it ignores practical problems. For example, not everyone has enough time. Repeat slowly. I disagree with this idea because it ignores practical problems. For example, not everyone has enough time. Excellent. This is how clear thinkers speak. Idea, reason, example. That's it. Now, let me help you with something very important. Pauses. Pauses are your secret weapon. Silence makes people listen. When you pause, you sound confident, not confused. Let's practice using pauses correctly. Listen. I believe this decision is right because it benefits everyone. Repeat with the pause. I believe this decision is right because it benefits everyone. Beautiful. Never be afraid of silence. Silence gives your words power. Now, let's fix another big problem: overthinking. When you try to speak perfect English, your brain freezes. So instead of searching for perfect words, use thinking phrases. These phrases buy you time and make you sound natural. Repeat after me. Let me think for a second. That's a good question. What I mean is, how should I explain this? These are not weak phrases. They are professional phrases. Native speakers use them all the time. Now, let's do a real-life speaking practice. Imagine someone asks you, "Why do you want to improve your English?" Don't panic. We'll build the answer together. Start simple. I want to improve my English. Repeat. I want to improve my English. Now add a reason. I want to improve my English because it gives me more opportunities. Repeat. I want to improve my English because it gives me more opportunities. Now add an example. For example, I can communicate confidently at work. Repeat. For example, I can communicate confidently at work. Now say the full answer smoothly. I want to improve my English because it gives me more opportunities. For example, I can communicate confidently at work. Amazing! This is clear articulation. Not fast, not fancy. Clear. Now let's work on sentence endings. Weak endings make you sound unsure. Strong endings make you sound confident. Listen to this weak ending. I think this might be good. Maybe. Now listen to the strong version. I believe this is a good idea. Repeat. I believe this is a good idea. Say it again with confidence. I believe this is a good idea. Excellent. Your voice matters. Your ending matters. Now I want you to practice describing something simple. Your routine. Listen first. My daily routine is simple. I wake up early, I focus on my work, and I practice English every day. Repeat each line. My daily routine is simple. I wake up early. I focus on my work. And I practice English every day. Notice short sentences, clear message. This is how you speak clearly even with basic English. Now let's train your brain. From today, stop saying everything in one breath. Instead, speak like this. One thought, pause, next thought. Let's try. I was nervous at first, but now I feel more confident. Repeat. I was nervous at first, but now I feel more confident. Good. This rhythm makes you sound fluent. Now, here's your daily challenge. Today, speak for 1 minute about any topic. Use this pattern only. I think because, for example, don't worry about mistakes. Focus on clarity. If you do this every day, your English will improve naturally. Remember, clear speakers are not born. They are trained, and you are training right now. If this practice helped you, stay connected with Daily English Dose. Speak a little every day. Think clearly. Pause confidently. You are improving, even when you don't feel it. Keep going.